Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to SoulSync. It's your girl, Dovey, and today we are diving into the kind of energy that doesn't scream to be seen. It whispers and still steals the spotlight. Feminine energy. The kind that's soft but powerful, quiet but unforgettable. The kind of energy that doesn't need to chase a man, because baby, he'll follow it all on his own. This video isn't about being manipulative, fake, or acting like someone you're not. It's about activating the natural magnetism you already have, that divine, irresistible energy that drives him wild without you even saying a word. These aren't just beauty tips or flirty games. These are deeply emotional, sensual feminine tricks that get under his skin, into his mind, and straight into his fantasies. Let's get into it. 1. Eye contact with a soft smile. One of the most hypnotic feminine tricks ever? Holding his gaze, not in a bold, aggressive way, but softly. Locking eyes with him and letting the moment stretch just a few seconds longer than expected, while giving him a calm, knowing smile? That does something to him. It's quiet confidence. It's elegance. It says, I see you, and I'm in no rush to look away. What makes this powerful is the combination of softness and depth. You're not begging for his attention. You're already holding it without even trying. He starts questioning everything. Did that mean something? Was she flirting or just being kind? That mystery eats at him. And the truth is, it's not about the smile or the eyes. It's about the energy behind them. When you smile like you know a secret and look at him like he's the only one in the room, he'll be thinking about that moment for days. 2. Slowing down your movements. Feminine energy doesn't rush. It glides. When you slow down your walk, your gestures, even how you reach for your glass or tuck your hair behind your ear, it changes everything. There's something hypnotic about a woman who moves with calm, deliberate grace. She's not scattered. She's not fidgeting. She moves like she's completely at home in her body, and that energy is magnetic. Men are used to chaos. The world is fast, noisy, competitive. So when you walk in and move like time slows down around you, he notices. It's not even about what you're doing. It's how you're doing it. Whether you're walking across the room or just flipping a page, you become a moment he can't look away from. Slow movement creates mystery, sensuality, and power, all at once. 3. Whispering instead of raising your voice. There's something incredibly intimate about a woman who speaks gently, especially in moments of emotional intensity. Instead of yelling, you lower your voice. Instead of shouting across a room, you lean in and whisper. That softness forces him to come closer, to listen harder, to tune into your energy in a more personal way. And it creates a tension that lingers. Whispering works because it feels sacred, like you're letting him in on something private. It's a form of trust and intimacy that bypasses logic and goes straight to his nervous system. He starts associating your voice with closeness, with heat, with emotional depth. And girl, once he connects your softness with safety and desire, you don't even need to raise your voice. You already own his attention. 4. The art of touching yourself lightly. Let's get this clear. Not in an explicit way. I'm talking about those gentle subconscious touches. The way you smooth your neck while thinking, glide your fingertips across your collarbone, play with your necklace, or run your hand through your hair slowly. These small gestures are insanely attractive because they radiate sensual confidence. You're at ease in your body and it shows. These touches tell him you're connected to your own skin, your own rhythm. It's self-soothing, graceful, and full of presence. Men are drawn to women who enjoy their own company and treat themselves with tenderness. He watches those subtle touches and starts imagining what it would feel like to be that close. Not because you're putting on a show, but because you're effortlessly in your element. And that kind of natural intimacy, it's a whole different level of seduction. 5. Being warm, then just slightly out of reach. This is the emotional tease that creates obsession. Be warm, laugh, be playful, affectionate, emotionally available, and then disappear just a little. Let him miss you. End the call before he's ready. Leave the room while he's still caught up in you. This isn't manipulation. This is art. You're reminding him that your presence is a gift, not a guarantee. What makes this so powerful is the contrast. You give him something beautiful, then leave him craving more. It taps into the human psychology of desire. We want what we don't fully have. When you're too available, too constant, you lose that edge. But when you're emotionally rich but slightly unavailable, he starts chasing. He starts wondering. And that's when he falls. Knowing when to say nothing. Silence is one of the most underestimated feminine powers. When you're hurt, disappointed, or even just unimpressed, you don't always have to react. Sometimes a soft stare, a smile with no words, or walking away instead of arguing is the most powerful move you can make. It shows restraint. It shows control. It shows you're not emotionally triggered. You're emotionally in charge. This kind of silence doesn't come from weakness. It comes from strength. He'll feel the weight of what you didn't say, and that silence will echo in his mind far longer than any speech would. He'll think about it in the shower, in his car, when he's alone at night. You've become unpredictable, and unpredictability in a feminine woman? That's dangerous. That's addictive. Wearing soft, feminine fabrics that invite touch. What you wear isn't just fashion, it's energy. Fabrics like silk, satin, chiffon, or soft cotton carry a vibe. They flow, they move, they kiss your skin, and that sensory softness creates a visual and emotional invitation. When you wear something that moves with you, that drapes over your body like it belongs there, you become unforgettable. It's not about revealing skin, it's about revealing softness. And men respond to softness in a primal way. They want to touch, protect, be close to it. Wearing those fabrics isn't just about beauty, it's about awakening his senses. The way your clothes brush against you, the way they hint at curves, the way they feel like a daydream. He won't even know why he's obsessed. But he will be. 8. Giving him your full presence, then leaving him wanting more. When you're with him, be with him. Eye contact, laughter, genuine curiosity. Make him feel like he's the only man in the world. And then? Don't overstay. Leave while the energy is still sweet. Let him miss you. Let him wish the moment had lasted longer. That's how you become a memory, not just another moment. Men fall for presence, but they chase what feels rare. When you give your full self in a moment, then protect your energy and walk away, you become unforgettable. He'll sit there wondering when he'll see you again, what he has to do to earn more of your energy. And that's when obsession takes root. When he doesn't know when the next dose of your divine feminine is coming. So now you know. Beautiful. Being seductive isn't about over-the-top behavior or constant attention-seeking. It's about graceful, intentional energy. These feminine tricks aren't games. They're emotional elegance. You're showing him the kind of woman he can't just have. He has to earn. And once he gets a taste, he'll be addicted to your presence, your energy, your silence, your softness. If this video awakened your inner goddess, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And in the comments, tell me, which one of these feminine tricks are you already using? And which one are you trying tonight? Until next time, stay slow, stay soft, and stay in your power. Because, baby, you were born to drive him wild.